Baby, come over here and look at it over here.
Where's she at? She'll probably see Cynthia. Cynthia's at Monument in St. Clair.
Okay? Are you gonna come or what? Alright. Told her we right where the shit at.
Cynthia called me. She asked about the way, which is up that way. You know when the bump turns? Where's Veronica?
She over there. I told her to come on.
Cynthia.
I told her, I said, we looked up. No, we right here where they at.
Did you see that? If you're recording, a phone call comes in and puts the video in. You ain't not away from me, I know that. It smells like shit down here because the rain brought all of it up. You smell that? It smells like shit. Hello! Shut your car alarm off.
Baby will love this.
I can't believe there ain't more people over here.
Hey, over there where the fucking food at.
And the beer. Well, no, they probably cut the beer off again, I bet. Look, man, I didn't even have to hardly. I don't even have to put this camera in the air. I could probably just do it like this. She'd go trip right over Cynthia, I guarantee. See, Cynthia volunteering. She over there wanted them trailers. Man, there's people. Look, am I seeing things way over there? People parked on 4 watching it. That's 4 right there. Route 4? Yeah. There's people pulling over on the highway.
Now she know where to come. Next year, right here.
I don't know what her problem is tonight. Oh,
yeah, I was thinking about getting one of the flat screen TVs off of eBay. Think that's a good idea.
But what's the deal with 3D? 3D never got popular. You don't hear people going out buying 3D.
So we got 3D glasses, though.
What are you talking about tonight? Look, you put them on. Okay, so another thing you're saying going on this video. I'll be okay. Already? Sure we ain't a little too close? There we go. They had to shoot those up here because they got wet wind damage. You know I'm talking about that shit they were going to have on the base. Yeah, they had to end up using those. You can hear them from our place. They start moving the stage and everything. They didn't want to have another Sugar Land like they did in Indy last year. Man, my arm getting tired too. I gotta keep switching, man. So far, I'll be honest with you, I don't care at this point. I ain't getting up either. She's staying.
I'll get up and
Nah, you work all day. Why don't we make her stand? Be like, stay where you're at.
Nah, she works all day.
And then I will get up, I suppose. She can hold the video camera though. Yeah, I guess Eddie Money was supposed to have been out that Air Force tattoo thing. Yeah, because it started storming about 4. And then they delayed it. And then about 5 o'clock they called the whole thing off because of all the damage out there. They started picking up porta-johns like it was nothing. I don't know where they were going out. Hello. She's stupid. On that one, she's stupid. You want to go up there with them hardcore gangsters. You know you do that, your video will come out sideways. You have to move DLC to straighten it out. There's a good program, VLC Media. It'll play any file. No matter whether it's cell phone, iPhone, digital camera, it'll play it all. I got that idea from Mike and Cynthia. It's a damn good program. Never once has it not recognized the file.
What I do is download it.
You could just, well, you can USB it or you can email it to yourself. You should put it on your Facebook. I got last year's fireworks on my Facebook. I forgot to put them on YouTube. I've never been so to YouTube or when my folks were in Hawaii. She's in another world.
I told you that stop. I told you that stop. Oh, it started going off and we looked over, there it was.
Cynthia's down by St. Clair.
I'll videotape it for you.
Not Sinclair, St. Clair. Where the bus turns. Trying to make a video. No, I videoed last year's Huber Heights one. Now, the ones I took last year was on Buford, dude. And they came out pretty good. The Huber Heights ones, I ain't come down to these, though. American didn't have no car, man, dude. Forever. I think I can upload as long as I want now. I don't have a 10-minute limit. Trying to watch them with shade. Like see Ray Charles or something.
What are you doing there with that shit? I know.
Oh, she is cracking me up for real.
Me too.
No, what he doing? Oh Lord! There he is.
What?
Why don't you come hold the camera? My arm gets tired. Both of them. Oh, you talking about your video? Phone full of videos. Well, my video split because Cynthia called while I was in the middle of taping it. So I guess if you're taping, he'll cut your video off too. If I call you. Dayton Fireworks 2012, July 1st is over!